So let us consider the second problem in probability density function. X 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, it's an event whose corresponding probability is k, 3k, 5k, 7k, 9k, 11k and 13k. So we need to find these inequalities, okay? And later we need to examine the minimum value of k so that the probability of x greater than or equal to 0 is greater than 0.3. So let us start the solution. So the first and foremost condition for a probability is p of xi has to be greater than 0. Yes, all the value of xi will be greater than 0 provided we know the value of k. So go to the second condition directly. The second condition is summation of p of xi need to be equal to 1. So start adding all the terms of p of xi, that is k plus 3k plus 5k plus 7k, 9k, 11k, 13k. So when you add up, we have totally, each term you need to add up properly. This is k. So this has to be equated to 1. So how much k we have? 11, 13, 24, 24, 25, 30, 33, 40, 49. So we have 49k is equal to 1, which implies the value of k is equal to 1 by 49. So when you substitute this back to p of x, okay, obviously p of x will be greater than or equal to 0. So both the conditions are satisfied. Now both x and p of x is the probability density function and it is a discrete system. Once this is done, the next step is finding the value of probability of x less than 4. For this you need to carefully observe the table. The value less than 4, so you need to take the value less than 4. So less than 4 means 5 and 6 will not be included. So less than 4, 4 also will not be included. So you have to take probability of 0 plus probability of 1, probability of 2 and probability of 3, whose values are k plus 3k plus 5k plus 7k. What you can do is you can take k common out and add the term 1 plus 3 plus 5 and 7, right? When you add it up, so 5, 13, so we have, yeah, so 5, 13, so we have total 16k. Since we know the value of k, it is being taken as 16 by 49. So this is the value for probability of x. X is nothing but the random variable less than 4. Similarly, you can write for probability of x whose values are considered greater than or equal to 5. So you have to check greater than or equal to 5. We have only two possibilities, that is probability of 5 plus probability of 6. Probability of 5 is 11k and probability of 6 is 13k. Use the same procedure, take k common out. 11 plus 13 you can add it, so it is k into, we get totally 24. Substitute the value of k, so 24 into 1 by 49. Similarly, you can check the third case, probability of 3 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 6. That means the range lie between 3 to 6. So the range lie between 3 to 6 is 3, 4, 5 and 6. So write its probability. So probability of 3 plus probability of 4 plus probability of 5 plus probability of 6. Because it is equal to 6 and it is equal to 5, between that is 3 to 6. So takes the value of it. Okay, so when we take the value, it will include the probability of 3 was actually it is 7k plus 7k plus 9k plus 11k plus 13k. Use the same procedure, take common and add 7 plus 9 plus 11 plus 13k. So that gives you next solution. So similarly, the last part is what will be the probability? What will be the probability for probability of x greater than or equal to 2 and whose value is greater than 0.3. So that is one different question what we have. So here I'll complete it. So it's 40 by 49. Yeah. So now going to the second part of this question, probability of x is less than or equal to 2. I hope it is greater than or less than. Yeah. Sorry, it has to be less than. Yeah. Less than or equal to whose value is greater than 0.3. So go back to the table. The value of x less than or equal to 2. So less than or equal to 2 means you can take the value 0, 1 and 2. Correct? So probability of x less than or equal to is probability of 0 plus probability of 1 plus probability of 2, whose values are k plus 3k plus 5k. Kindly add it up, so we get 9k, which is this value, or we can write 9 into, yeah, because we are finding k value, right? So you make sure the k retains. This value, that is, this value is greater than 0.9, which implies k, I can equate it to 0.3 divided by 9, whose value is around 0.033. This can also be written as 1 by 30. So the minimum value of k for this probability is 1 by 30. I hope this question is clear to everyone. Thanks for watching.